Hello to all, I am Shubham Lakshmana Vijjani. Today we are here for our quantitative aptitude lectures and we are going to study the topic of L.C.M, also known as least common multiple. So as the name itself suggests, least common multiple is the minimum of the possible common multiples of given numbers. So for suppose, let us say we have the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. What are the possible multiples of these numbers? One can say, so how about 12? Yeah, 3 4s are 12, 4s are 12. Someone might say, what about 24? Like, yeah, 4 6 are 24, 3 are 24. And one might say, how about 36? How about 48? And so on. All of these numbers are multiples of 3 and 4. But which of the numbers is the LCM of these numbers? As the name itself says, it has to be the least value. So out of all these numbers, the least value is 12. You cannot get a number lower than 12 which is common multiple of both 3 and 4. Thus, 12 is our least common multiple of 3 and 4. But do we have to write all of these possible multiples for finding out the LCM? The answer is no. We have another method, called factorization method, to find out the LCM of given numbers. Let us see what is it. Let's just assume we have to find the LCM of 6 and 15. 6 and 15. Now what we have to do is, we have to find the prime factors of these numbers. For 6, we can write 6 as 2 cross 3. And for 15, we can write 3 cross 5. These are the prime factors of the given numbers. Now, after finding out the prime factors of given numbers, what we have to do? We have to take out the common numbers. In this case, 3 and 3. These are the common numbers in both of the prime factors. So what we will do? We will write 3. Are there any other common factors there? I don't see any. So, what now? Now we have to multiply the rest of uncommon factors with the common factor. The common factors are 3 and 3. So we have done 3. Take this into mind that we only have to write it once because it's common for both of them. And for the uncommon factors, we have to write every one of them. The uncommon factors are 2 and 5. So we will write 3 cross 2 cross 5. This would give us 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So the LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. This is how you are going to find out the LCM of 6 and 15 or any given number, the prime factorization method. Some books might tell you that you have to go for the powers and everything, but you don't have to complicate all those things. We are studying this for our CSAT examination, and what we need is clear idea of how to find them. So go with this method and you will be happy and it will be easy to find. Now after this, there are certain rules in LCM that we have to keep in mind for a quick solution. For example, when we have to find LCM of the numbers which are multiple of itself. For example, if we have to find out the LCM of 8 and 24, we can write is 8 is 2 cross 2 cross 2 and 24 is 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3. This is your prime factors for 8 and for 24. Here you can 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So the common factors are 2 cross 2 cross 2 and the uncommon one is 3. This 3. Now what we have here? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 3s are 24. So this is your prime factorization method. But what if I tell you, you can calculate this answer directly without doing prime factorization? What we know is 24 is a direct multiple of 3. 8 is a 24. So if one of the given numbers is direct multiple of the other number, the LCM is itself the biggest number. So in 8 and 24, the LCM would be 24. Here you go. For example, if I say the LCM of 6 and 12, it will be 12 itself. The LCM of 3 and 9, it would be 9 itself, because 9 is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 6. So the bigger multiple will be LCM of the given. So you have to remember this trick. And apart from this, there is another trick as well, where if you are given two prime numbers and you are asked to find out the LCM of them. For suppose you are given the prime numbers of 7 and 11. Always remember, if given numbers are prime numbers, all you have to do is multiply them. For 7 and 11, 7 is prime, so is 11. All you have to do is 7 multiplied by 11, which would give you 77. This would be your LCM. It is as simple as that. Don't need to complicate it. You just have to remember simple two rules. That if it is a multiple, then the bigger number will be the LCM. If those numbers are prime numbers, you just have to multiply them and you will get your LCM. Now, regarding the question of why do we have to find LCM? Students, from the past 11 years, in CSAT itself, UPSC asks around 3 to 4 questions on topic of LCM alone. You might say, sir, I haven't seen such questions. The questions agenda is hidden. For suppose there was a question in last year where the interval was given that a bell is rung on 12 minute, 15 minute, 18 minute. So when would be the time all the 3 bells would rung at the same time? It was 12, 15 and 18. What we had to do, all that we had to do was calculate the LCM of all these 3, and that would be our answer. There are so many questions like this where you just had to apply the rule of LCM only. So now coming back to how to find the LCM of 3 numbers, that's also topic in this. Let's take out the similar example, 12, 15 and 18. If you are asked that find the LCM of 12, 15 and 18, what we have to do? We have to apply the same rule. Just go for 12, you have to write 2 cross 2 cross 3. For 15, you have to write 3 cross 5. For 18, you have to write 2 cross 3 cross 3. These are your prime factors. After finding your prime factors, you have to take the common. But note that there is no need for it to be common in all the 3 numbers. It can be common in only 2 numbers and you can take it as well. For suppose the number 2 is only common for 12 and 18. So we can take that only. We can write 2. After that, you can see 3 is common here, 3 is common here, and 3 is common here as well. So 3, 3, 3. You can write it as 3. There is no need to write it 3 times or 2 times. If it is common in all 3 numbers, you can write it once as well. After that, are there any more common numbers? Let's just see. No, there are no more common numbers. So what is left? The uncommon ones. That is 2, 5 and 3. So we just multiply by 2, 5 cross 3. What is this? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 63 is 180. So the LCM is 180. So for 3 numbers, 12, 15 and 18, the LCM would be 180. This is how you are going to calculate the LCM of 3 numbers. Thank you.